Are you grinding in the same clothes that I was in the last upload, the last video? Because I haven't slept. I barely ate. Success, it doesn't wait for anyone. You gotta do it. I mean, this is just me. I'm just going, guys. And it's not only this. It's not only retail arbitrage. I made another video for my review channel. You know, for any of you guys that like coffee, go check out my new video on my review channel. I'll post a link to that right here, and as well as down in the description, VAR Reviews. Go follow that channel. Go subscribe to that channel, family. I'm going to show you real quick another haul. And this is a small haul, but big profits. That's what we love. That's what we love. That's what we love, man. That's what we love. Follow me on Instagram for daily motivational videos, for daily uploads, for even more uploads than the YouTube. Like, I'm going to keep it real and to answer you guys' questions anyway. If you want me to answer questions, follow me on Instagram. Send me a message on Instagram. I'm going to answer your question on Instagram. The link will be down below. This is magical. No, I did not buy this from the Goodwill this time. This is actually from the thrift store. This is from the thrift store, guys. Let's just get right into it. Alright, the first one I'm going to show you guys is... Oh, this one really... I've sold one of these before. I've actually found one of these in the Goodwill. But I found this one in the thrift store today. Brand new. It's just like some sand toy thing. And yeah, she gave it to me for half off. So it says $7.98. But let's see how much I'm going to make on it, because she gave it to me for... Hold on. Half off. $16. You see, I already had $8.50 for tax, but she gave it to me for half off, and she just gave it to me for $4 flat. So let's see what I'm going to make on this one. $12 on this one, guys. Next product. But let's get into the magic now. Okay, that's the first product, right? That's a little one. That's not even magical, but this is magical, guys. I found some books today. And the books I found today are profiting me a lot of money, guys. Let's get into it. Okay, so check out these books, guys. It's gonna get serious. This is the book haul. Only 3 books. There were more of these too. There were more editions, but I didn't get the other editions for a couple different reasons. But forget those reasons. Let's talk about the books I do have. Okay, guys, check this out. I'm just gonna go to my favorites here. Okay, guys, let's go. The first book right here, The Age of Napoleon. Check this out, guys. Brand new. These are all brand new too. That's amazing. I just got to get those sticky things off very carefully. The Age of Napoleon, guys. Check this out. Look at my profits. $33.64 for one book. Next one. Let's go look at the next one. What's the next one? We're going to do The Age of Faith, guys. Let's put the amount I paid for it in this one. The same amount, $13. $38.28 for that one. Okay, guys. Next book. Last but not least, The Age of Louis the 6th, 7th. I don't know how to read that shit. $13. You know what? I should put $13.50 in all of them too. Look at the profits. $104.76 for this book. $104.76 on one book, guys. Look, and the BSR is 4 million. And if you guys understand books, anything under 8 million is amazing for books. You seen it. Like, I can't, like, honestly, I don't even care about this anymore. I don't care because I just keep going. I keep the fire burning. I don't care. I find something, I send it in. I find something, I send it in. I find something, I send it in. I don't stop. I'm a machine. I'm a machine. You guys have to turn into a machine to win. Turn into a machine. Keep going. Keep scanning. Get this. You don't even know how much I had to scan to find this. I scanned the whole thrift shop almost. I walked around the whole thrift shop, scanning, about to leave. But I said, look, let me go in that back corner over there where it looks a little dusty and let me go look, just in case I find something. And I found the brand new books. The lady told me the guy brought them in bubble wrap, and they were just brand spanking new. And I said, why the heck did you slap these freaking sticky labels on them if they were new? But that's besides the point. I didn't stop scanning. I kept scanning. I kept scanning. All I found was this one little toy out of scanning the whole store, and I'm like, well, it's something, 12 bucks, whatever it was, however it was. We're gonna add up the profits. I didn't stop. But that's besides the point. Let's add up the profits right now. Let's just add it up. Let's just add it up. We have 1253 plus 3364 plus 3828 plus 104.76, and that gives us a total of 189.21. 189.21 on a haul that I spent $45 on. This is profits too. This is not minus. I don't have to minus 45 from this. No. This is just profits. This is just after I put in every cost of everything. This is the profits. 189.21, guys. And it's the second day. I'm in the same freaking clothes. I'm in the same clothes. I don't stop, guys. I told you, man. Like, guys, let's grow this channel. Let's grow this channel. Let's grow my other channels. Let's take over. Let's be the biggest family on YouTube. Let's do this. Let's do this. This is nothing. This is not even a lot. This is still not even a lot. This is nothing. How many of you are tired? Like, how many of you are tired? Because I'm tired. But I'm not going to sleep. Let's go. Family. If you are family, that means you are subscribed and you hit the little bell to get notified when I upload. If you are family, you are following me on Instagram. I'm adding that in now. If you are family, you are subscribed to my other channels, at least Lavar Reviews. Guys, ladies, family, this is nothing. I got affiliate marketing. I'm doing affiliate marketing. I'm doing retail arbitrage. I'm doing Amazon. Amazon as a whole, everything you could do with Amazon, I'm doing. I'm doing Facebook marketing. I'm playing around with that now. I'm doing, I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to sleep. I will win. We will be the biggest family on YouTube.